Now for your 6 in 60.
6 counties in 60 seconds, and we start in Seminole County. Oviedo could soon be allowing medical marijuana dispensaries in the city limits. City council members agreed to let the current ban expire on August 5th. A new ordinance is being drafted.
Orange County now. Michael Pettigrew, the man accused of causing a standoff at OIA, did not show up to court yesterday. His lawyer, though, entered a written not guilty plea for him.
Alachua County, a truck stuck between an overpass. Look at that. This happened on I-75. FHP says the truck driver lost control near US 441. The interstate had to be shut down for hours as officials cleared that crash.
And in Osceola County, police and the SWAT team are responding to a domestic violence call. A woman came running out of a home. The suspect, Raynard Wells, started a 10-hour standoff. He was later arrested.
Volusia County, the sheriff's office wants to hire private security guards for the courthouses. This would allow other deputies to move to other positions within the court.
And in Polk County, Walmart is opening up a new fulfillment center for online orders. The building in Davenport will hold millions of products. Walmart says that it'll bring more than 1,500 jobs to the area. You got a Fox follow-up.